Some of those fears can be fear of inadequacy.
Yay! Happy Sunday, friends. We are getting ready to head to church, and I think I'm going to make this another day in the life. Come along.
Some of those fears can be fear of inadequacy, fear of being abandoned, fear of failure, fear of not having enough. But remember, Jesus takes us from where we are to where He wants us to be through what? Pressure. Oh, come on, somebody. 2021.
How you doing, brother? How you doing? Good to see you.
Hi.
Take home, baby.
Hi.
You holding it down?
Let's see if my car bag is still holding up in my husband's vehicle. Yep, it is. I need lotion. So I have a video where I show you
Yeah, tell her get my stuff out of there.
what I put in here, and I need to get the lotion. So yep, my bag is still holding up, and he does not mess with it. It's Sunday afternoon. We've gone to church. We've traveled a little ways so we can go and just enjoy lunch together, and that's what we're getting ready to do now. Hopefully after this we will go to a store too. My oldest daughter loves to go to Barnes and Noble and picks out a book, and I love Barnes and Noble too. Well, actually we all do. So we may do that and see what kind of sales are out there. I love Sunday sale shopping or sales hunting. If you love sales and you know you prefer to shop the sales racks for fun and for necessity, let me know down in the comment area. I absolutely love sales. I think it's more like a game to see what you can get for the bang of your buck. So that's what we're going to do. They're not going to want to do it, but Sunday fun day. It's my day too. see anything at the Goodwill, my kids always use the term dry. So today it was dry. Or it could be that I was extremely tired, you know, on Sundays after going to church, then eating lunch. It's always, you know, just right to have a Sunday nap. And maybe because I'm missing out on that Sunday nap, like all energy to thumb through the racks and try to look at pieces that may could use a coat of paint or something. I just wasn't for it. But what I am up for is TCBY vanilla yogurt with brownie bites. I do have energy for that. So that's what we're doing now. We're gonna get some yogurt and hit the road to head back home. It is currently 5 o'clock on a Sunday. Do I take a nap or do I just go ahead and get all of the Sunday evening things done and just go to bed early? Or do I take a nap? Or could I eat my yogurt and take a nap on the road? I don't know. But here's the family with the yogurt. Hey friends, we made it back home. I decided against that nap. I was excited because when I was pulling into the driveway, Amazon was pulling out. So I got some fun things for my Shop Tish B, like these cute poly bags and some other clear bags and some hardware for some of the things that I am going to be adding to my website. So I am going to take a look at my planner just to make sure that I am good to go for at least tomorrow. And I may put on a load of laundry. I'm going to edit this video right now. And I think I'm going to chill for the rest of the day. You know, Sunday, fun day for real. I think we had a really good time hanging out with one another. And here we go. So like this video if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be sure to press that notification bell right next to the subscribe button. And let's continue this party down in the comment area. Talk to me. I love to hear from you all. I absolutely love to hear from you when you do comment. And until next video, have a great day, have an even better week, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.